Hello guys, my name is Dennis, thanks for coming to my channel, and today I'm going to show you the installation of this beautiful product. It's called EV Base car wheel covers. They look awesome, the quality is perfect right away, I could tell you that. The price is also not that high, and it's supposed to give you the more range. I'm not sure about the range yet, but the looks is super great. I'm going to show it to you. First I'm going to show you installation. The second one I'm going to show you the looks. It's just perfect. I really love it and I really recommend it. Let's go to see how to install those. Alright guys, I'm just received the package from EV Base car wheel covers. It comes like that in that kind of package. Next I'm going to remove them. I'm going to show you everything about those covers. Alright, so then open the box and look how everything is packed here inside of the box. Just very nice. Let me just open one of the cover and I'm going to show you how it looks like. Alright, and the wheel cover looks like that. It actually looks very, very nice. I'm just really wants to add it to my car. And I remove all covers from the package. They looks like that. And also inside of the package I got that tape that I'm gonna put over here. This tape I'm gonna go here around that. Let me just do one and I'm gonna show you how it looks like. And I'm finished with the tape with the one cover. Just over here, go around everywhere, and that's what I'm gonna do and all three other covers. Let me start doing that. Alright, so now I'm add tape to all of my wheels like that, and also I add tape over here on this pieces. I just see that on another video, that's why I decided to add it too. And I'm gonna do it on all the wheels, and then I'm gonna go and install those covers. And I think my car is gonna look amazing. I can't wait to do that. And okay, you can see here how it looks the original covers. I mean, the looks not that bad. I'm gonna show it to like this, how it looks like. And now let me show you how to remove that. It's very easy. Okay, let me hold my phone in one hand and I'm gonna show it. So you just push it, like push, 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 and you see the cover is here. And let me put it here. And that's how it looks, the wheel without the cover. To be honest, I don't like it. Let me just put it on, the new one, and I'm gonna show you how it looks like. Alright guys, this is the new one, and you can see here it have the hole also for the air pump when you need it. That's why it's easy to put it over here. Let me just try to. I think I need two arms, that's why I'm gonna connect it when I'm install that. Alright guys, the cover is here. I think I'm just have to push it from all sides here. Let me just push it a little bit more to see if everything is there. Yes, and look, it's right away. Looks much better, much better. Look here, over there and over here. Let me show you from the sides. Wow, that's really cool. I highly recommended those covers, highly. I really like the looks and I love the quality of that product. And it's supposed to give me also the more range. I don't know, I didn't check that yet, but when I check that, I will let you know. And yeah, it looks like that. Very nice, beautiful, I love it. Like I told you, I highly recommend it. And after I install them, my car would start looking like that. It's just super beautiful. I just really love it from the both sides, of course. Uh, really highly recommend it. And okay, guys, that was my review about that product. Please check the description below for their website, some maybe discount code. Yes, and once again, I'm going to tell you that I really recommend this product. Super cool look, super good quality, and it fits perfectly. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and I'm going to post next video soon. Thank you. Bye, guys. Bye.